How's it going, everybody? Welcome to K6 Outdoors. My name is Kyle. Today I wanted to show you guys how I replace the deck belt on my mower. This is the Hustler Raptor SD, and I want to show you guys how I quickly remove my belt from the mower without having to use any tools. Well, the only tools you need to use are, on this specific model, are a 3/8 inch socket that you can use to take the cover off of the deck. That being said, I've seen people do many different things, from laying on their back, pulling on pulleys, using pry bars, screwdrivers, take the deck off, put the deck back on. Maybe not that part because you're trying to put the belt on. Anyways, I've seen people do many different things, and this method seems to work the best for me anyways, and I don't have to lay on my back. All I gotta do is use a little bit of brunt force and let the leverage of the belt do the work. So let me know what you guys think about this installation method. I wouldn't say it's exactly a one-size-fits-all. It does work well for me, and that's how I've always done it anytime I've had to put a belt back on this mower. So let me know what you guys think. Let's check it out. All right, like I said here, you loosen these two bolts using a 3/8 inch socket on this mower, and it gives you direct access to this spindle on this side, and the same on this side over here. You take them both off. Pretty simple, right? So now you can see down in here and see what's going on. I'm gonna show you how I put the belt on and take it off. Put my foot up here, get a little bit of leverage, give it a nice tug, and the belt comes off. Pretty cool. So likewise, you'll see down there I replaced that tensioner spring. Make sure your belt is over all the pulleys as it should be. And then you'll see here, watch the spring, the tensioner spring. When you give this a little bit of a pull, you'll see it flexes the spring. So that's what we're doing, is we're getting leverage. You could, again, like I said, you could just pull on that pulley itself, on the tensioner pulley, and put it on, or you could put the belt on, use some pliers to put the spring on, but that is an awfully stout spring. So how I install it, grab the belt, like I was saying, you can start flexing it there. Keep one hand here, up close tight, and you pull, and it's on. Quick and simple, and that's how I put the belt on, and it is ready to go. Now all I gotta do is grab my cover and my 3/8 inch socket, line the pieces back up here with where they were at. Uh-oh, I grabbed the wrong one. This one doesn't lock on, but it'll work. And you're done. Simple as that. Well, that's how I do it. I don't know if that's the right way or the safest way. I don't know, you be the judge. But that's how I quickly get my belt back on my mower when I'm changing out the belt. Well, if the belt's broken, obviously you're not gonna do that. But if you're trying to change out a belt preventatively, or in this instance, like I had to replace that tensioner spring, that's how I do it, and it works very, very well. So let me know what you guys think. Put some stuff down here in the comments below. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you don't like the video, or if you have something I can do to improve it, give me a comment and give me a thumbs down. That's fine, I can take it. If you guys are not a part of the YouTube family, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications when I post more videos like this. Thanks again for stopping in. I really do appreciate all your viewership, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Kyle signing out.